Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this book. It's from the author Philip K. Dick, and it's Do Androids Dream of Electric Ships, which is a cyberpunk style book. It's actually the inspiration of the Blade Runner films with Harrison Ford and Ryan Gosling. It was originally published in 1968, and it starred how we see the cyberpunk genre. It modernized it, and it's a really nice version. It's a paperback version, and it came in perfect condition. The letter is of the perfect size. I like that a lot, and it's very lightweight and the perfect size to bring with you to whenever you want to read. Either be um, your school, your work, and it's really nice to have a book like this. It's also very short. It's 2,224 pages, which is really nice, and I can't wait to read it. I've actually been wanting to read it for a really long time, and now it's the time. Okay, so I'll recommend it.